Kinakain na ang loob, masakit na mga tuhod, kailangan pang lumuhod. Gusto ko lang naman yung todo. O sige, ako naman di ba? Pabawi lang. Ayoko na kayo tutulog. Oh, yan. Stop na! Stop na! Stop na yan! Next song na! Nasa puso mo! Ay, mali ba? Wag na! Sorry! Ikot yun eh! Stop na yan!
Kaway ka naman, Tel.
Ako na ulit. Nakanini magkami na ulit. Kami for you. Till my heart takes it. Wow!
Kaway, kaway.
Ano ba? Very pera ako eh.
Kaway, kaway. Kaway?
Kunwari! Kunwari! Kakantay ko Destiny! Hoy! Sige. Yes! I recall. Magkasintakan lang kayo! Never leave me. You told me more. So much like you whispered in my ear.
Wala bang tali? Parang pagkatapos.
Sabay talon.
I remember what you said, that you'll be here forever.
Select na, select.
Yung dilaw na tali.
We don't live in saying that you live. I was hurt. Really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray you would stay.
Ang gulat.
Yeah, you're gonna go so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live my life without you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. And if into my dreams you'll come and touch me once again, I just keep on dreaming till my heart aches out. Yoko! Hoy, wag ako nakakanya ah! I-upload ko pa yung lahat yan. Daniel left.
Nag-group lang natin.
Without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt. And it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I prayed you would stay. But then you're gone and I'm so far away. I was afraid na malaman ko wala na pala sa puso. Burning from within. My life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you once again. And if into my dreams,
Huli ang Marlon. Nakita na katumayaw.
touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming till my heart aches Ice cream! Stop! 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 Wala na to eh.
Ay, wawa.
I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Nagkamali ako ng lyrics eh. Ayoko
Bakit
na!
nagigiling? Ikaw na. Ikaw na si Marlo yan.
Marlo! Ano yan? Baka.
Kakantayin niya ni
Pwede
Marlo.
pa yung second line na lang.
Oh, sige, basta kaya ko.
Marlo.
First line na lang, parang kaya mo na, stop na lang. Ang arte mo, Marlo, sipain kita.
Oh.
Gusto ko, Karen, on the way.
Mas baka na! Mabuhat ka na!